Ah, this is Mario again, and I finally have another W&W Ceiling Fan, even though Ceiling Fan season is now over. There it is. There it is. So, I have these small things right here. These are blades from what used to be a W&W Mini, but now is much bigger. So, right here I have my first 52-inch W&W Ceiling Fan. So, this is 40, I think 40, I don't know, it's either, I think it's 42-inch W&W Cardborde Ceiling Fan. With a lot of downlight. This is a 52-inch W&W Cardborde Ceiling Fan. And the difference about this one is it has a light kit. I've been working all morning on this. I had to move my lab here due to breakfast. And well, it runs very smoothly. The blades have the blades, because I use too small a flywheel, have a little bit of a droop. But it's very quiet and runs smoothly. The light kit is also dim because it's very old. But let's run this thing. So, yeah, I converted this from a 6-inch W&W Mini to a 52-inch W&W Cardborde. The Cardborde ceiling fans are the only ones with good flywheels. So, oops. Yes, I have this in this room in particular. I have this in here for this particular morning because the weather is chilled. But well, now see its perspective beauty in running. As being a 52-inch, it runs very well for its size. It is a huge fan. With these 52-inch blades that I had for a while, and then, well, it's my household cardboard. I get some cardboard from packages of water bottles now to use. And well, one was enough to make 4 52-inch blades. So I had to wait for a second piece of cardboard from the water bottle packages in order to make the flywheel. Well, you may notice I'm using black tape. 52-inch blades require special support. Also, I can't find my original tape and I ran out. But well, Frank bought some new tape. And then Luigi decided to take hostage and hide it. So Frank basically did a good deed, getting some more tape, but then Luigi just hit it. He just hit the tape. And now I can't find it, so I'm using black tape, which, by the way, is more supportive, but doesn't last as long. Also, is not transparent. And, just the roll I was using. So, this fan has one of those smaller umpteen canopies. Doesn't look like it's exactly even. Has flywheel that supports 42-inch blades, but I use 52-inch blades instead, so the blades droop. Especially this one, which I've been working the most on. Well, the light kit, once again, the light kit. The light kit is very dim. Sorry if you couldn't hear this, so I propped the camera up. But yes, the light kit is very dim, because it's old. So, yeah, I took the old light from that wall and put it on the fan. It already had pieces of tape on it. And I put in another pull chain. Swinging around it, I decided to use cardboard for the end of the pull chain. Well, I want to start considering paper for fireplaces. Like the W&W stove. Paper stove. Over there. I'm using this to monitor temperature. Because it's getting pretty chilled out there. And so, yeah, this fan, it used to have silver blade brackets, but due to the lack of support that the silver ones carry, I replaced them with black blade brackets. I bring the black ones over the silver ones, since the silver ones are permanent attachments. Black blade brackets were made out of the black tape. Now, this fan's relatively realistic in size. Definitely one of the first developed 52-inch fans that I got in my laboratories. The rest look extremely small compared to this one, which is like a giant. So, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and please like for more videos. And if you enjoyed, please like. Also, be sure to subscribe if you want any of the latest content we got. I'll be sure to notify everyone when there's a new video. Actually, it automatically does that. And also, here is the weekly question of the day. If you have a ceiling fan, what is the biggest inch number of your ceiling fan? What's the biggest ceiling fan you have? List the inch number in the comments. Thank you for watching.